Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing FoodTech quiz number 64, topic food irradiation. It consists of 25 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. UV light has geometrical effect at wavelength between dash nanometer. Options A 225 to 250, B 200 to 250, C 250 to 280, D 300 to 350. Correct answer C 250 to 280 nanometer. Question number 2. Irradiation dose range for insect disinfectation. Options A 0.05 to 0.15 kg, B 0.1 to 0.3, C 1 to 5, D 3 to 13. Correct answer C 1 to 5 kg. Question number 3. The use of ionizing radiations to destroy microorganisms is called. Options A cold sterilization, B radorization, C irradiation, D all of the options. Correct answer D all of the options. Question number 4. Killing effect of irradiation on microbes is measured in. Options A D value, B gray, C rad, D none of these. Correct answer A D value. Question number 5. Irradiation dose range for inhibition of sprouting. Options A 0.05 to 0.15, B 0.1 to 0.3, C 3 to 13, D 35 to 60. Correct answer A 0.05 to 0.15 kg. Question number 6. The most commonly used type of microwave generator is an electronic device called. Options A transfer, B alteron, C reception, D magnetron. Correct answer D magnetron. Question number 7. Frequency implied on ohmic heating. Options A 50 MHz, B 60 MHz, C 50 MHz or 60 MHz, D none of the above. Correct answer A 50 MHz. Question number 8. Irradiation dose range for elimination of specific pathogen from poultry. Options A 0.05 to 0.15, B 0.1 to 0.3, C 3 to 13, D 35 to 60. Correct answer C 3 to 13 kg. Question number 9. Cold sterilization is another name of dash. Options A HTST pasteurization, B food ionization, C LTLT pasteurization, D food irradiation. Correct answer D food irradiation. Question number 10. Which of the following is most susceptible vitamin for irradiation? Options A thiamine, B riboflavin, C ascorbic acid, D nicotinic acid. Correct answer C ascorbic acid. Question number 11. Dash is a process of food preservation in which food is exposed to ionizing energy radioisotopes. Options A food irradiation, B food ionization, C food pasteurization, D food sterilization. Correct answer A food irradiation. Question number 12. Which of the following is not an ionizing radiations? Options A gamma rays, B cathode rays, C X-rays, D none of the options. Correct answer D none of the options. Question number 13. Dash is natural method food preservation. Options A food irradiation, B microwave heating, C flash evaporation, D none of the above. Correct answer D none of the above. Question number 14. Dash appears to be the most radiation resistant organism. Options A Bacillus cereus, B Clostridium botulinum, C Aspergillus flavus, D Claviceps purpurae. Correct answer B Clostridium botulinum. Question number 15. These rays are mostly used for ionization of food. Options A gamma and delta, B beta and alpha, C alpha and gamma, D beta and gamma. Correct answer D beta and gamma. Question number 16. Frequency of microwave radiation. Options A 1 to 150 MHz, B 400 to 2000 MHz, C 4 GHz to 20 GHz, D 400 to 2000 GHz. Correct answer D 400 to 2000 GHz. Question number 17. Neutrons are not used for food ionization because options A. It has low penetrating power, B. It is costly, C. It makes food radioactive, D. All of the above. Correct answer C. It makes food radioactive. Question number 18. In dash heating of foods, radiant energies are used. Options A. Microwave, B. Irradiation, C. Ohmic, D. Both B and C. Correct answer D. Both B and C. Question number 19. X-rays have dash penetrating power than UV light. Options A. Lesser, B. Greater, C. 0, D. Same. Correct answer B. Greater. Question number 20. D value of irradiation for E. coli is options A. 0.3 kg, B. 0.1 kg, C. 1 kg, D. 0.5 kg. Correct answer A. 0.3 kg. Question number 21. Irradiation dose range for destruction of parasites in meat. Options A. 0.05 to 0.15, B. 0.1 to 0.3, C. 3 to 13, D. 35 to 60. Correct answer B. 0.1 to 0.3. Question number 22. Frequency commonly used for commercial microwaves. Options A. 9000 MHz, B. 915 MHz, C. 2400 MHz, D. 2450 MHz. Correct answer B. 915 MHz. Question number 23. Amongst the non-ionizing radiations, ultraviolet radiations of dash nanometer are most bactericidal in nature. Options A. 250, B. 265, C. 280, D. 300. Correct answer B. 265 nanometer. Question number 24. 1 gray is equal to dash rad. Options A. 10, B. 100, C. 500, D. 736. Correct answer B. 100 rad. Question number 25. 1 gray is equal to dash calories. Options A. 0.00024, B. 0.0024, C. 0.24, D. 0.024. Correct answer A. 0.00024. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.